Hi there, I'm Adam Shaw, I'm the heart guy, and I am also an ex-nurse who used to work for 13 years in 3 different continents. I'm medically trained, and what I found is after 10 years of my nursing journey that I started looking for more spiritual solutions, especially working with those people who were terminally ill or facing imminent death. Which was the area. Not much fun, folks, I gather, but the point is it taught me a lot about the bigger aspect of health and well-being. It also sent me down a path of studying mind-body medicine and energy medicine and bringing those worlds together with personal development to add a much broader view of what health and well-being is about. Now, the set of skills that I have in this course is based on the book that I wrote, and it's really a video supplement course to that book. But what it will do is give you an extra set of skill sets. It's not an either or. It's not you do the medical system or you don't. This is an integration of a much larger, broader aspects of health and well-being that you can use as a model or a toolkit to help you to get better results in your life, and most importantly, to understand what causes things to go wrong. So if that's for you, if you're looking to improve your health, your energy, your immunity, or your motivation, then there'll be something in this course for you, and I can pretty much guarantee that. So welcome to the journey, and I invite you, my friends, to join us on this epic tale which will lead you to a better place in your life.